Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well. I have my holiday Christmas tree up and I just thought I'd film this video because I just got a huge package from my SA from one of the Nordstrom that I usually shop at during the holidays. So I'm very excited to open it because he is, if you've been here before, you'll know that he packs me a lot of goodies. So I just thought I'd share with you. I'm not sure where this video gets inserted because, you know, I do a Christmas unboxing, but this is not things I've bought, but it's also things that he like kind of threw in there, as I'm pretty sure he always does this. So I'm very excited to get into it. I will probably edit it and put it separately, but yeah, let me just show you the box that it came in. It's like huge and it's quite heavy. I don't think everything I purchased it warrants this kind of box, so that's why I'm also like really excited. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Emily and I love handbags. I also love fashion, travel, luxury. So if you like any or all of those things, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you'll be notified of my future videos. All right, let's get into this. I love the holidays, and actually this year it's gonna be a little hectic during the holidays, so hopefully I could do the usual Christmas unboxing with you. If not, I apologize. It may be one of those years I just can't, but I will try to share it later or in some way or form. I will probably also share some of my purchases on my Instagram at Clutch to Carry All if you don't currently follow me there. Okay, so let me just tilt this box for you. I can't hold it up here for long, but you can see that there is a Dior bag as well as a Nordstrom looking bag underneath it. Oh, it is heavy. So here is the Dior bag, and oh my goodness, this is the Nordstrom bag. And now it is empty. It feels really warm in here. Oh, hi Chester. You want to say hi to everybody? You want to say hi? Okay, good boy. Let me sit down. No. Oh, cute. He loves being in the videos. Sometimes like I'm in a room and he's not able to get in and he gets frustrated. Okay. All right, so let's see which one I should get started with. Maybe this one. This is the bag that you would see if you went to Nordstrom. It's heavy. It looks like, oh my gosh. Okay, so I did purchase some of these gifts from him. So, oh, it smells lovely. Oh my goodness. Did I purchase all of this? What's all in here? All right, guys, I don't think I purchased all of these items. It's been a while since I purchased it. I think he helped me buy a bunch of stuff and then like shipped it all together. So to my recollection, I did not get all this stuff. So some of these are definitely like freebies and gifts. So I guess I don't know what's in what. There are also some Dior ones. So we will get to opening. Maybe this video does need to be on its own. So here we are. I love this year's packaging. This is the Beauty for Chanel. It's got this beautiful navy tweed ribbon, which is always very beautiful. All right, let's see what is behind box number one. Okay, I did buy this one. So this is one of their holiday, oh, it fits perfectly in this box actually. So these are one of the holiday gifts that are wedged in there. This is the gloss up. So you guys should have seen me unbox one of these already in an earlier video when I first got it. And so this one is their holiday beauty sets. So if you have not gotten your hands on them this year, there's actually quite a lot of availability. So you'll see that it looks like this. It's a beautiful dark navy tweed with sparkles, and it has the camellia as the zipper pull. So I'm not going to open this because I will likely give this as a gift because I already have one for myself. So it's beautiful, and I have shown ways that you can change this into a bag. So if you would like to see how to do a DIY on that to make it like versatile and like carrying it, that's one way you can spice up this bag. So I'm gonna assume that this one is also the other one that I purchased. I bought 2 of the sets. Yep, so this one is in this white color box, which means it's the skincare one. So yeah, this one is the Hydra Beauty Maximum Moisture. And again, I already have one, I already unboxed one, and so this is just redundant. So I'm likely gonna give this, oh no! The little camellia fell off of the, oh no. Okay, I'm just gonna take a picture of it. I've never had this happen before. So yeah, the camellia that would have been on this zipper pull, the little metal part came off. So now it makes it very hard to pull open this, what do you call it? This zipper, because there's no pull. Yeah, this is crazy. I've never had this happen before, so I don't know what happened. That was very bizarre. I'm gonna have to tell my essay. I mean, obviously it's not his fault. Like, this is, I don't know, maybe it just got banged up, but it was packaged so nicely. So I will have to figure this one out. Luckily it's a redundant piece, so we're okay. Oh. All right, let's move on to the next box. I did not buy any other Chanel items from him, so this one must be like a freebie. He is always so full of surprise. So let's see. It smells lovely. Honestly, more excited about these ones than the things I bought, obviously. Okay, so here we are, Chanel Bouteille. Ooh. All right, let's see what this is. Ooh. It is there's tissue paper in here too. Oh my gosh, it is the same bag. The navy tweed with Chanel Bouteille at the front. The zipper pull is just a regular zipper pull right there, but it is a, oh, hold on. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. So I don't know, I'm gonna stand up for this. He gave me, I guess this is how they come, I suppose. I've always been shipped these charms. Yeah, so the bag is kind of like this black fabric lined, looks like a little cute pouch. Again, you could probably turn this pouch into a wearable clutch or shoulder bag if you just did some DIY, which I don't know if I will do, but oh, this is so beautiful. And then, yeah, he gave me 4 charms. There's 2 camellia ones and 2 shooting star ones. So, wow. This is beautiful. Look. And if you don't like the Chanel Bouteille, you can always wear it on this side as well. It's such a nice, like, toss in your bag and go, but you can also use it. Oh, it's so beautiful. He's such a sweetheart, honestly. Like, I mean, it's a freebie, so definitely does not need to go to the extra mile to put it in another box, but he knows I love that. So, all right, let's go into the last Chanel box here, and then we'll move on to Dior. So let's see what's in here. Is it the same thing? Okay, so it's the same box. Oh my goodness, it's the same. So he gave me 2 of these. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, and there are, yeah. Yes, so he gave me duplicates. So basically, I got, you know, 2 camellia, 2 stars in one of these pouches. Wow, this is so generous. I obviously don't need both, so I'm probably going to give it as a gift myself to somebody else. I think everybody would love this. Oh my gosh, thank you so much. So those are my freebie gifts from Chanel. Now there are 2 boxes from Dior. I don't know what's in what. I'm gonna guess this one is what I purchased and this one's a freebie. So I'll open what I purchased first, which, oh my gosh, this is so beautiful. think he has better packaging than even Dior or Chanel themselves. It's crazy. All right. So yes, this is the item that I purchased. It is one of their beauty sets. So it is so jam-packed. I think I've told you this before. I've unboxed some of these on my channel, and I love this pouch from Dior this year. It is so beautiful. It's got this like little it's got this little like handle that you can pull up. Or overall, it's the same bag. Does not matter what you get inside. It's the same size bag. So yeah, I just have a lot of skincare products in these ones. So this one is their Capture Total line. So this is the day cream. I also have an essence lotion, and then also a serum. All right, I wonder what could be in here. Oh my gosh, he wrote me a card. A very beautiful card that I want to show you. It looks like this and opens up like this. And it is one of their stars. I love collecting this every year. Let's see if I can get it out of this envelope because I put it on my tree. So, wow, it's really stuck in here. Okay, I got it out. Wow, that took a lot of strength. Okay, so this is what it looks like this year. Every year it's a little different. Sometimes you get it, oh, it's really sparkly. You may not be able to see it. Sometimes you get it with just the gold, like plain gold. But during the holidays, they do have these very beautiful etchings on it. And this year it looks like this, which is the circus theme. So I love it. I'm just gonna hang it right here now on my tree. Perfect. But let's see what's inside here. Oh, guys. Okay. I am excited because I've seen this one and I asked him about it. This one is the same material as the gift sets, but it's in the star shape. I've posted this on my channel about the star kit, so you can buy one of the gift sets with the star shape instead of the like pouch, but it's since sold out, so hopefully you guys took advantage of it. Oh my goodness, there are so many things in here. So there is oh, I haven't even seen this one before. These are like the sample sizes, but they're from Dior, and it says L'Or de Vie, the gold of life, if that is that cream, rich cream. Let me see. I don't think I've seen these before. Are these new? Wow. I don't even know if you can see them, but yeah, they're for your face and neck. So it looks like a very fancy cream. So I love my skincare. I'm excited to try these. So he gave me 2, how generous. And oh my gosh, he just jam-packed it full of these samples. Are they all this rich? Oh my gosh, he gave me a lot of this cream. Okay, I'll have a lot for days to use. Oh wait, this is for your eyes. Okay, so he gave me the same line, but it's for your eyes. And there are 2 serums, so 2 eye cream, 2 face cream, 2 serum, and 2 lotion. Okay, so they're not all the same, but they're from the same line, which is L'Or de Vie. Yeah, so this is the lotion. Feels so spoiled. This is the serum, which I can't see inside of it. Here is the eye cream. It's a tiny little guy, but yes, that's usually how eye creams are. So yeah, I got that, and then also gave me 2 of these. Oh, this one I have. So this is the Dior Prestige Le Micro Serum for eyes. So this one I do have. Wow, what a treat. What a treat. Yeah, so this star pouch was something I was like, oh my god, it's so cute. So I'm so glad to have it. It is so adorable. Thank you so much. Okay, so also inside this is this. Okay, so this is the box, and he even has a little pillow in there. How beautiful. Like I said, so thoughtful. I don't know what this is, but it looks like a set of something. Okay. Oh, it's a Dior Prestige gift. Okay. Wow, look at that. So it's a deluxe size, not like as small as those samples, but you have the micro oil, rose oil serum, the nectar, which I know is like super expensive and good. And then there's also the balm. I don't know what this is actually. But look, it's black. It's all like blacked out. It's intense. It looks like it's for night. I'll have to read more into it, but oh my gosh, this is a beautiful set. Thank you so much to my essay. Oh, this is beautiful. This is such a treat. I have more fun, I think, opening some of his gifts than my own purchases. So anyway, I'm glad I filmed this to show you because I always get such a kick. Yeah, this is lovely. So thank you so much for sticking it out. I will list everything here that I've purchased. I believe they're still available. A lot of the things I believe from Nordstrom, I've seen like the Chanel ones, actually are, you get a free like ornament if you order a Chanel item from Nordstrom right now. So if I can find that information, I'll link it below. But yeah, these gift sets, these holiday gift sets are beautiful gifts to give for, you know, somebody if you need a last minute gift. Nordstrom has pretty good return and shipping policy, so definitely to take advantage of that. But yeah, these Dior pieces are also beautiful. I will try to link as many of them as I can find in the description box below. I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing, and yeah, I would love to hear your thoughts. Did you grab anything from Dior or Chanel Beauty this year? Like I said, I don't know if I will be able to do a Christmas unboxing video with you this year, but I will be keeping you updated with my channel in the next few videos, so hopefully you'll see that soon. So yeah, hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.